Hello, dear students. Today we will see the energy from a different food components. Excess of the carbohydrates are stored in the liver and muscles in the form of a glycogen. So proteins are the micromolecules and they are bonded together by many amino acids. We get 4 kilocalorie of energy per gram of a protein. Amino acids are obtained after digestion of a protein, and that amino acids are absorbed in the body and transported to the each organ and the cells via blood. Excess of amino acids obtained from a protein are not stored in the body. They are broken down and the ammonia form is eliminated out of the body, and it is necessary process, that is the excess of a protein are converted into other useful substances like a glucose, and that process is called as the gluconeogenesis. So the plants produces the necessary amino acids from minerals and thereby produce different proteins. An enzymes rubisco present in the plant chloroplast is most abundant protein found in the nature. So rubiscose, its long form is ribulose 1,5-biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Now students, you can observe in the chart, as per the type of a cell, the amino acids are again used for making proteins that are required by the body. Type of the protein and their locations: melanin and keratin pigment are present in the skin, then ocean in the bones. Proteins of a cell membrane, different enzymes are located in the cells. Insulin and trypsin, which is located in the pancreas. Different hormones located in the pituitary gland. Flexible proteins like actin and myosin in the muscles. Hemoglobin and antibodies are in the blood. Now the next food component, that is the lipid. The lipids are formed by specific chemical bond between fatty acids and alcohol are called as lipids. So fatty acids are used for producing hormones like progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, etc., and the covering around the axon of a nerve cells. We get 9 kilocalorie of energy per gram of a lipid, and excess amount of the lipids are stored in adipose connective tissue inside the body. Now the next one is the vitamins. Vitamins, it is a heterogeneous compound and it is essential. Then it is required for the various process in the body. For example, vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Out of these, A, D, E and K are fat soluble, whereas vitamin B and C are water soluble. Now, these are produced in the process like glycolysis and Krebs cycles are the FADH2 and NADH2. Vitamin like riboflavin, that is the vitamin B2, and nicotinamide vitamin B5 respectively are necessary for their production. The next topic, cell division, an essential life process. Important property of all living cells is cell division. Significance of a cell division: 1. A new organism is created from existing one. Growth of a multicellular organism, and the restoration of an injured and emaciated body. Cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Now next, chromosome. Chromosomes are seen only at the time of a cell division. Chromosomes are rod shaped and has a primary constrictions or the centromere. There are the arms of the chromosomes seem to be attached to the centromere, and depending upon the position of a centromere and the length of the arm of the chromosome, there are four types of chromosomes: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and a telocentric. Now this is the structure of a cell cycle. There are four phases. G1 phase, the growth which is takes place. S phase, there is a DNA synthesis. G2 phase, growth and preparation for mitosis. And in a M phase, mitosis, that is the cell division which is takes place. The stages of a mitosis are of two types: karyokinesis and cytokinesis. In karyokinesis, nuclear division which is takes place. So karyokinesis, it is divided into four phases. First phase, prophase; second, metaphase; third, anaphase; and fourth, telophase. In a prophase, the condensation of a thin thread like chromosomes are seen. Chromosomes become shorter and thicker, and they form the sister chromatids. Then duplication of centrioles and the moments of each centrioles goes to opposite pole of the cell, and the nuclear membrane and nucleolus start to disappear. Second phase is the metaphase. In that phase, the completion of a condensation of a chromosome, and they are clearly visible along with their sister chromatids. Then after that, chromosomes, they arrange parallel to equatorial plane of the cell, and then formation of a spindle fibers between the centromere of each chromosome and both centrioles. Then nuclear membrane completely disappear. Third phase, anaphase. In that phase, formation of a daughter chromosomes which appears like a bunch of bananas, and they are then pulled away from each other at a opposite direction. So the splitting of a centromere with the separation of a sister chromatids of each chromosomes. Their separations begins movement in opposite direction due to the help of the spindle fiber. Then each set of chromosomes reach at two opposite poles of the cell and separated daughter chromosome. The last phase, that is the telophase. In that, chromosomes reach at the opposite pole of the cell and they start to decondensation. Chromosomes become thread-like thin and start disappearing. Spindle fibers completely disappear. Two daughter nuclei formed in the cell. Reappearance of a nuclear membrane and a nucleolus. And the second phase, that is the cytokinesis, that is the division of a cytoplasm. In animal cells, a notch is formed at the equatorial plane of the cell and which depends gradually, and hereby two new cells are formed. In plant cells, a cell plate is formed exactly along a midline of the cell. Significance of mitosis: first, essential for the growth of the body; second, necessary for restoration of emaciated body; third, for wound healing; and fourth, for the formation of blood cells, etc.